Hey everybody, it's Eric from the Mature Minded Gamers group. Today I'm going to show you how to disable hardware acceleration on two of the most popular browsers, Chrome and Firefox. I was having an issue with my Streamlabs OBS not being able to pick up window captures when I was trying to use it in the browser, and so I did some research and figured out that it was hardware acceleration that was causing the issue, and then it took me a little bit to figure out where to turn it off. So I wanted to make a video to show you guys the quick way to do it. You just need to open your browser here. We're going to start out with Firefox. You need to click up here on the little hamburger icon up here to open your menu, and then you need to go to options right here, and it's going to take you to this screen, and then you just need to scroll down on the screen, and you're going to look down here for performance. And yours is probably going to look like this with just a check mark, so it's kind of hidden. So you want to uncheck the use recommended, and then right here where it says use hardware acceleration when available, uncheck that, and that will turn off your hardware acceleration for Firefox. So you're set there. And then the next one that I'm going to show you how to do is Chrome. So how it works is you need to go up here to your little dot icon up here, click this, and then go to settings, and it's going to take you to this window right here, and then you need to scroll down to system on the left hand side, click that, and then use hardware acceleration when available. Yours is probably set right here. You need to uncheck that, and then you do need to relaunch both your browsers for it to actually take effect, and then you should be able to pick up your windows in OBS. Hopefully this video helped you out. I would really appreciate it if you do me a favor and hit that follow and like button and help me grow my community